Do you want to know how you can log into your Groww Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Groww Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Groww Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Groww. You can see that you can log in using your Google account or your email address. If you want to continue with your email address, go ahead and write down your email address, click continue, write down the OTP code which is sent to your email address over here and then click submit. This way you can log into your Groww Mutual Fund account using your email address. If you want to continue using your Google account, click this continue with Google option. Choose your Google account, click confirm to sign in to Groww. Now you can complete this by writing down your phone number. You can write down the phone number or you can scan to download the app, and after you write down your phone number, click send link. A link will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and click on it, and this way you can connect to your Groww app as well. This was a video on how you can log into your Groww Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.